TheElectricBike.com. Battery care and maintenance. We'll give you several tips to help you to prolong your battery's life. You need to fully charge and discharge the battery up to 4 rounds before achieving full capacity of the new cell. Try to discharge and then fully recharge the battery every several weeks for battery conditions. Run the equipment under the cell's power until it turns off or until there is a low battery warning. Then, recharge the batteries as instructed in the user's manual. The battery should be removed from the device and kept stored in a clean, dry, and cool place if it won't be used for some time, maybe for a month or even longer. After a storage period, you must recharge it fully again. Ensure top performance of the cells by optimizing the device's power management appearance. You need to stick to the manual for further instructions. A short circuit may cause severe damage to the battery, so do not short circuit. You must be careful to your battery and try not to hit or drop it because this may result in the vulnerability of the contents of the cell, which are corrosive. Don't expose the battery to rain or moisture. Keep the battery distant from fire or sources of high heat. Holding the cell near extreme heat or fire may result in an explosion. If the battery isn't charging, the logical question is if the battery is defective. Probably it is not. Brand new batteries usually come in a discharge status and must be fully charged before any use. Some research indicates that you fully charge and discharge battery cells 3 or 4 times to allow it to scope its maximum rated capacity. There isn't a specific time range for recharging. The normal thing is that battery feels hot during charging, so don't be upset about this. When charging the cells for the first time, the device may show that battery is fully charged after 15 or 20 minutes. That's a common thing with rechargeable batteries. The new ones are not so easy to load. They were never broken in. There will be situations when the device's charger will stop charging a new battery sooner than it is fully charged. If that appears, just remove the battery from the device and insert it again. Charge cycle should begin once again. You shouldn't be wary about this because it is a typical situation. There are some ways to get maximum power from your battery. Keep the battery secure by fully charging it and fully discharging it at least twice a month. An exception of this is the lithium-ion batteries, which don't suffer from memory loss. You should use a cotton swab and alcohol for cleaning the dirty cells. This will keep a perfect connection between the portable device and the battery. You shouldn't be leaving the battery out of work for a long period. It's recommended to use the batteries twice a month, but if the battery isn't used for a longer period than that, perform the procedure described above. If you don't intend to use cells for a longer period, then keep them clean and dry, and distant from heat and metal objects.